Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Ubuntu release and whether Zoom was installed via Snap or apt, because the update method differs. Once done, check the current Zoom package with SnapList or AppList to know the source. Make a quick config backup to avoid lost settings, copying /. Config/Zoomus is fast and reversible. This prepares you to choose the right update command and prevents surprises during removal or reinstall, so you keep your preferences intact. Now perform the actual update using the method matching your install. If Snap managed, run sudo snap refresh Zoom client to pull the latest channel. If apt managed, update package lists and upgrade just Zoom with sudo apt update, then sudo apt install only upgrade Zoom. That prevents unrelated upgrades. For a manual, deb install, download the newest package from Zoom and install with sudo dpkg izoom *. Deb, then fix deps with sudo apt-f install. Finish by launching Zoom and confirming the updated version through help right arrow about so you know the update applied. If Zoom crashes or fails to start, run it from a terminal to capture error messages. Those lines point to missing libs or permission issues. If problems persist, purge and reinstall. Remove with sudo apt remove purge Zoom or sudo snap remove Zoom client, then reinstall via the same method you used before. Make sure to restore your backed up config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.